Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing investment site which name is inssolar.com. So this is investment site where you can invest your small amount of dollar and you will earn for daily life. So we also discuss their investment plan because they have many investment plans, and it's your choice which plan you select. So I will also give the little introduction about their site here and investment. This is investment site. If you invest in this site, you will earn for future. So future in solar energy and make fast money. So we will also discuss how we can register ourselves on their site and how we can make successful deposit and successful withdraw from their site. So first of all, I give you little introduction about their site. So without before starting my video, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my videos first. And this video is about the amazing site where you can invest and earn for daily whole life. This is investment. Invest in an industry leader and professional and reliable company, and we provide you with the most necessary feature that will make your experience better. Not only we guarantee the fastest, and the most exciting return on your investment, but we also guarantee the security of your investment. So we also discuss how we can sign up here, and this is so you can see there in solar in inssolar.com, and their domain is 1 year and name is cheap, and in these details you can also check these details. So after this, we you can see their recent transactions. Here is the log of the most recent transaction, including withdraw and deposit made by our user. You can also check their date and time also. So this is a company that invests in the solar energy projects, and also we are an international financial company engaged in the investment activities and involving trading on financial markets and the cryptocurrency exchanges conducted by qualified professional traders. Our goal is to provide investors with a reliable source of high income while minimizing any possible risk and providing a high quality service that allows us to automate and simplify the relationship between the investor and the trustee. We aim to increase your profit margin with profitable investment. We want you to be a part of our community. So if you want to get more information about the project, so click on the more info and you will find there more information. So these are the investment plans. The first plan is the name of first plan is small, and you will earn 1% on daily and for every day, and it is for whole life or lifetime. So you can withdraw your amount at any time, and they have a limit of their investment. You can invest greater than $10 and uh, uh, greater than $10 to nine $399. And the other plan name is standard plan, and you can get 1.2% on every day for lifetime, and they have also limit start from $400 to $3,999. So other plan name is investor, and you can get 1.5% return every day for lifetime, and they also have a limit start from $4,000 to $39,999. And other plan is big one, and you can earn 2.2% every day for lifetime. This name is shark its name is shark, and you can withdraw at any time. And investment, you can invest in their site from $40,000 to $80,000. So now we study how in solar works. Join our huge platform and invest. We will use your money to invest in solar project and cryptocurrencies that are sure to yield steady returns. Join us now to automatically brings you profit in your wallet. So first step is join with us, and other is invest to plan and get profit. So we discuss about their advantages. They have different advantages, like this is comfortable in withdraw, and they also have referral program. The multi-rank referral program is designed specifically to increase the earning of our partners with three levels: 5%, F1 is 2%, F2 is 1%, and F3 is include. So they also have their sport, which is for 24 hours. Our support team is ready to answer any rise question at your convenience. So other thing is passive income. You receive your reward in completely passive mode without any additional action. So this is reliable and protection of personal data. All data about our user is strictly confidential and not subject to disclosure. So this is competitive profit margins, and we offer the best rate on the market for a highly profitable investment. So you can also see the frequently question and their answer, like when can I deposit withdraw from any my investment account, how do I check my account balance, how will I know that the withdraw has been successful, how much can I withdraw. These all are questions that everyone should have in your mind if they want to invest in their site. So now we discuss how we sign up, how we register ourselves on their site, and how we log in to our wallet in their site. So just click on the sign up. You will find out this page. This is the registration page where you should give the information like your first name, your last name, your country, your phone number, your email address, your username, your password, and you need to confirm password. And after confirming your password, you need to write this captcha like 251257, and I agree. Click on I agree and sign up now. When you sign up now, you will find out the confirmation email, and you will find out a number in your email. You just need to fill other step and give this number in their site, and you will directly log in their page. So I already registered myself in their site. I'm gonna log in directly. So I need to write my username here and give the password that I mentioned on the registration page. So after filling this captcha, I click on the login now. So here you can see that I entered in my dashboard in my account in their site. So here you can also see that I received my referral link. If you want to earn from your referral link, just copy it and send it to your friends, family members, and your social groups. If they join from your referral link, then you will find you will also receive percentage of your referral. So here you can see that my deposit wallet is zero, interest wallet, total investment, total deposit, total withdrawal, and referral is also zero. So I'm going to invest in their site. If you want to make investment in their site, you just you just click on the three dots, and you will find out this instruction like if you want to make deposit, if you want to make investment, just go to investment plans, and you can select your investment that you want to invest in. So I select a small investment plan. I click on invest now, and here select wallet and invest amount. So I select my wallet like deposit wallet, and invest my amount. I am going to deposit my $10 in their site and click on the yes. So when I click on the yes here, I my balance is insufficient. So first I need to deposit in their site. So click on the right dot and click on the deposit now. So when you click on the deposit, you will find out these different cryptocurrencies like Tron, USDT, BTC, Ethereum, LTC, and USDT. So I select TRX for deposit. Here I need to write the amount of that I want to deposit in their site and click on the next. When I click on the next, I will find out this page here. This is confirmation page that I am going to deposit 10 USDT, and conversion rate is 10.69, and total TRX is 106.9. So I click on the pay now. When I click on the pay now, I will find out this page here. I receive their receiving address and their QR code also. So here I copied this address. After copying, I go to my Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, I select Tron and go to the send. When I go to send, I paste that address that I copied from site and write the amount of TRX that I want to deposit in their site. So this is the TRX that is equal to $10, and click on the continue. When I click on the continue, I receive the confirmation message. So here I need to make a confirm. When I click on the confirm, so you can see that these TRX or going to my side. When it will successful, I also we will also check our side that we receive or not. So this is completed, so we go back to our site. So here you can see that after giving my TRX address and confirming, so here I receive this page. It's mean my transaction is pending here, and amount is 10 TRX, 10 USDT. Gateway is drawn, and TRX address is mentioned here. Then date, time and date is also mentioned here. So if you want to deposit it, click on the deposit now. When you click on the deposit now, here you can check your deposit history. So here you can see that now $10 is in my wallet. Deposit wallet balance is $10 because I deposit from my TRX account in this site. So this was the process of this was the process of the deposit in their site, and now I'm going to purchase their investment plan. So if you want to purchase their investment plan, just click on their investment plan and you will find out their investment plan. Select your investment plan. Select your investment plan. Here I select a small investment plan, and here I invest the amount of my money that I want to deposit and click on the yes. So when I click on the yes, here I find this confirmation message that my plan is $10 and return is 0.1 every day for lifetime, and receiving 0 multiplied by 0.10 is equal to US 0 USD, and next payment will be in 23 hours and 59 minutes are remaining. So now we discuss how we can cancel your investment plan. Just click on this button, and when you click on this plan, you will find out confirm stop investment. Today's profit amount you will not receive, your capital will be transferred to the interest wallet. And are you sure you want to stop investing in this plan? So I want to stop. If you want to stop this investing plan, just click on the stop investing now. When you click on the stop investing now, this plan will automatically stop and completed, and this $10 will return to your wallet. So we go to our wallet dashboard now and check either we receive our $10 or not. So here you can see that I received $10 in trust. Wallet balance is $10, and total deposit, total invested $10, total deposit $10. So now we go to withdraw again. When we click on the withdraw, here we find out these cryptocurrencies. In which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. So I select the Tron. After selecting Tron, I need to put the amount of my withdraw. So I click enter $10 and confirm it. When I click on the confirm, then I receive again this confirmation message. So your Tron wallet address to transfer fee will be deducted directly from the amount we send you, and enter your wallet address and confirm. So I copy my receiving address from my trust wallet and make it confirm. When I click on the confirm, so after some loading, you can see that my withdraw now is pending here. My amount is 10 USDT, rate is 1 USDT, and 9.6 TRX, and charge rate is 1 USDT 9.6, and charge is 0 USDT or 0 TRX, and receivable is 96.00 TRX. Status is pending, and you can also check more information. So after some time, this amount is automatically withdraw and added in my previous trust wallet. So this is very amazing site, and this is a process how we can deposit and how we can purchase their plan, and how we can, if we want to cancel their plan, just we also discuss how we can cancel our plan and how we can make our withdrawal successful. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.